Yo le gule gule hee le ho ho le hee hee yo le gule gule. How to make your PS4 quieter and why the PS4 PlayStation 4 so loud? Okay guys, today I will give you the reason why the PS4 so loud and how to make PlayStation 4 quieter. Okay, for the first thing, the reason is the game like triple A game like God of War. So if you play this game and using Blu-ray disc like this, God of War PS4, the Nordic mythology, your fan will sound like that, woo, woo, just like that, and the game like like this will make your fan sound so loud like jet engine. Woo. Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, so these two games are exclusive game, make your PS4 not quieter. So how to fix it? Because of this triple A exclusive game, and for the first thing you should try to clean your PS4, clean all the ventilation and make your PS4 no dust, because dust will make the Blu-ray disc driver sounds fan will hard to trying to cooling the system, because the Blu-ray disc game and Blu-ray disc driver will circle so fast. So for the first thing, how to fix it, the PS4 so loud. Okay, for the first thing you should turn on the PS4, turn on the PlayStation 4. Okay, I will use this button to turn on the PS4. Yo le gule gule hihi. Okay, and of course, okay, PS4 turn on, and now turn on the TV. Okay. Okay guys, this is how to make your PS4 quieter. If you play, first thing you don't need to buy physical digital like this or like this. Just buy digital download game to your PS4 like this. This is digital download, and this is the Blu-ray disc PC. That's why make your PS4 not quieter. Digital download, and this game like this make your PS4 not quieter, so loud. So let's try how to fix it, the problem. First we should go to this and go to the sound and screen. Guys, we should display area settings. Okay, no display area setting. HDR, turn off the HDR, deep color off, super sampling mode Done checklist video output information. Okay, resolution. Try the resolution in here to 720. Try to change the resolution to 720p like this. Checklist. Okay, and your PS4 will quieter, not so loud. Okay, after that, after you change the resolution to the 720p, and you should go to the boost mode. Okay, system first. Don't checklist this boost mode. This will make your PS4 not so loud, guys. Okay, don't okay, change this boost mode to without checklist, guys. Okay, I don't checklist this. Okay, guys. Okay, just like that. I will back again, on the screen to the 720p, and the system. Don't checklist the boost mode, just like that. Okay, let's try to restart and then restart your PS4. Okay, this is my PlayStation 4 restarting the PS4. We will see the impact of the change setting to the 720p and don't checklist the boost mode. This is how to make your PS4 quieter and not so loud because of the Blu-ray disc game, and playing with the digital file for the exclusive AAA game. Okay, guys, just like that, how to make your PS4 quieter and make your PS4 not so loud.